Hello everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
Well, it's Monday, and we're back in the she shop. We're back working on this. I may not get it done tonight because it's Monday night, and I'm tired. And I have other things I have to do. But I went and got some Angelus pink leather paint. So why didn't I do the leather paint to begin with? I wanted to try the dye, but as you can see, this pink is far, much closer to the original pink. And we're going to do it. We're going to paint it pink. I love the Angelus Leather Paint. I have worked with it in the past, and it worked perfectly. I'm not sponsored. Angelus is not sponsoring me, or I wouldn't have said that their dye is no good. It's not a DIY product. I'm going to start with the strap, as we did with the dye, and it is well good and dry. So for those of you that were thinking that maybe it just needed to dry longer, no. It's still messed up. But we may not get the whole body of it painted today, just because it's been a long day already. And I'm almost time for bed. And my whole family's out there being noisy. I'm filming. Sorry. Sure, come talk to us.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Say hi to the YouTube people.
Hi.
I can't see you.
Hello.
What's up?
Hello. I forgot what I was gonna talk to you about.
Okay, well, I'm going to go back to work then. When you figure out why you're bothering me, let me know. Love you. I know I'm not winning Mother of the Year. Oh, this paint is clumpy. Angelus, come on. How old is this paint? Let's open the other one. I got two. Ew. This one's clumpy too. Oh. It's not supposed to look like that. Let me see if I can mix it. Yeah. I mean, seriously, let me see if I can mix this. All right. Thinned it out with some water. Consulted the hubby and he said, yeah, water. So, it's acrylic based. It's still a little, it's got little chunks in it. I'm happy. Yeah.
Remember what I was going to bother you about.
What did you want to bother me about?
I'm going to be Regina George tomorrow.
You're going to be Regina George?
Yeah.
At school?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cause yeah.
Cause yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I can wear my hair extensions.
Oh, cool. Awesome.
Love you.
Love you. Bye. It's Spirit Week. So she got dressed up as a character or something. So I guess she's Regina George from Mean Girls. Would not be my goal. Let's get you guys face down. It's as smooth as it's gonna be, and I'm not giving up right this second on this, so we're gonna at least paint this strap tonight. Dear God, some DIY. Y'all, DIY. There's gotta be a different look. Like D. Hi. Dear God, some DIY. Hang on. We need better cow. Okay. I gotta get you guys switched around. And then we're gonna paint this. All right, let's see if we can cover the worst bits. Oh. definitely going to have to be more than one coat. Okay, well, that was a little thick there, so we're going to thin it out. That looks so much better. Ah, yes, that's the color pink we want. Totally should have done that first. The texture on this leather is making it a little difficult, so we got to go both directions here. But look how pretty. Look at the difference. Such a difference. This is the color we wanted. Yes. Very happy. I know. Should have done it though. Just did it for that. I know. I can hear it in my own head. I don't need you guys telling me I should have done this the first time. I got it. I got it. I got it now. It was just a slight detour. We learned something about the dye. So nothing's ever a waste because we learned a valuable lesson. The dye is not for us, and now you don't have to spend your money to learn that. I spent mine. Ta-da! I can't be more pleased. I am so happy to see it pink again, like light pink, not hot pink. All right, we gotta let that dry. It's so much better. Huge difference. Huge. Absolutely huge. This is the original color on, hang on the keychain. So you can see it's just a slightly purpley pink. This is a brighter pink, but still a little closer to the mark, more what we were going for. The edges of this are match that. I did not dye the edges. The edges were that color, so the edges match that, but this matched that. So, yay. Much, much better. Now I'm just gonna wait for this to dry so I can flip it over and at least get the other side done tonight. All right, I put a hair dryer on it to dry it faster. Let's get that flipped over. Oh, so bright. Just so chunky. Okay, I'm not happy about that. I'm gonna leave a really bad review. It was chunky. And not just one of them, both of them are chunky. Very upset. All right. That dry, I'll get a second coat on there because it's definitely bleeding through the first coat as it dries. The bright pink is. You know what? Since I'm going to have to paint this in sections, I'm going to start with the bottom. Get this like that, and I'm going to paint the bottom so that it has time to dry when I want to set it up and paint the rest of the body tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow. I don't know what my day looks like tomorrow. You just never know. It could be bad. All right, we'll let that dry as well, and we'll get a second coat on that when we get the second coat on this. Coat 2. All right, let it dry. And that's all I'm going to have time for, I think, tonight. It's working for a living. It's really got an end. I just want to be in my shop and do my projects. But that will have to dry. So it is still sticky, even on the side that is dry. It is sticking to the paper just because it's not cured. You know, it's dry to the touch. I'm able to turn it over and stuff like that. But we got to let it dry before we do anything else. And then I'll take a look at it and see if there are any spots that have to be recoated, if there's anything showing through, if the bright pink is broken through. And then we'll get to painting the body, which as soon as that's done, oh, I'm gonna be so happy. Oh, you have no idea, because this purse was super duper cute. And yes, as far as there's going to be somebody in the comments who's like, all the value of that Coach bag is gone. Probably. But it was gone the second that I cleaned it and the color came off the first time. So I'm not carrying this bag for an investment piece. Victoria wants to carry it. We want to use the bag. You know, we don't want to mark it up and move it on. This is something that I'm going to carry. My daughter's going to carry. And it just needs to look pretty again. And the value, when I scrubbed off the color the first time, the value was gone. So what we're doing now is fixing. The dye didn't do the trick, and now the paint will be the fix. So it's working too. It's working! Looking at it going, yes, that's the color I want to see, is that light pink. Although the hot pink would have been nice had it not been blotchy, and just, it was terrible. This is terrible. If it hadn't been blotchy, I think having a change in the color wouldn't have bothered me very much. It was like, it would be that color there of that lampshade. And that wouldn't have bothered me. But if I can't get the dye to work properly, then it's just, I've wrecked the bag. And this at least will save the bag and we'll be able to carry it. So I'm excited. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy chunking. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.